myself protected. Shopping list got rollies and protected.
What's up? Good morning. My name is Rodney Kiai, Superintendent on the Concrete Side Division. We got a 200 plus sport this morning going on, 230 plus. This is a wet well recycle water tank.
It's the only thing I like now. Yeah, it's the only thing I like now. No. You don't need to tell me twice, you know I know. I can never slow it down, I'm money low. Shawty massage on my neck and let it go. Oh, you see that? I've been moving on the limits, let it see that. I'm tryna find out better me. Ain't no way stepping in me, moving like it's enemy. I know. You don't need to tell me twice, you know I know. No. You don't need to tell me twice, you know I know. Damn, I gotta keep myself protected. Shopping list got rollies and protected. I don't wanna hit by your investment. Only hit me when in full effect. Gotta keep myself out of bed. If I done said it, then I'm in it. It's the only thing I like now. It's the
Boys, it's almost at the end right now, finishing up. Been here since 12:30 this morning. It's still going. It's all good. Getting the job done. All right.
Damn, I gotta keep myself protected. Shopping list got rollies and protected.